nice and lovely. Super food recipe this. Alright, first thing, get 1 stalk of celery. Alright, once you get the celery, cut it up. This is some super food right here. Alright, that's the celery. Now I'm gonna get a few cherry tomato and put it inside of it. Just like this. Cucumber, roughly about 1/4 cucumber. Nice one. So that look good. Now I have some celery, some spinach which I want to use. So what I'm going to do, I just cut up my celery a little bit smaller. We're going to put a piece of red pepper inside of it. Piece of yellow pepper also. That is beautiful. Now I have your favorite red apple. That's a Chef Ricardo. I've never seen that before. Okay. Wow, look at that. Let me taste this. I'm using a medium-sized apple. That is lovely. Now I have some carrot which I want to put also inside of it. Alright, we're just gonna be drooling 1 medium-sized carrot. Lovely. Let's put that straight inside of it, alright? The reason why I said superfood, I'm going to be using superfood chisel seed. I'm going to use roughly about a teaspoon. Alright? Now, give it a stir. This can up with anything at home, guys, honestly. It is amazing. Alright. Now, I'm going to place this into a bowl. Alright. Let's place it into a bowl. Nice one. So now we're going to serve it up just like this. Alright. Look at that. That is amazing and lovely. Alright guys, please enjoy the recipe and subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Alright, we have a lot more recipe like this coming for you guys. Honestly, look at that. Amazing, lovely and nice. Alright, so please stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe like that. Healthy food at home in your kitchen from Chef Ricardo. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.